Hey guys, I'm just doing a quick unboxing of this RGB fan controller. My motherboard, I just installed a new CPU cooler, and unfortunately it was RGB, but my motherboard did. You got your different connectors that it also comes with. This is a regular three pin. There's your 5 volt. That's a SATA. That's where you're gonna get your power from to the fan controller. So overall, I recommend this. I'll try to get a video of it all installed and working. I also forgot to mention a very important piece. It comes with a remote, so you're able to switch colors on all your RGB fans just through this remote once they're hooked into this controller. All right, guys? Also, it's a good stuff there. It no longer have 5 volt connectors that it could connect to. So I got this, as you can see. So 5 volt, for those that don't know, let me see if you can see. It looks just like your standard 4-pin, but it has 1 pin, I think the camera can get it, missing, right? So that's a 12 volt, your standard 4, and then these are 5. So the RGB fans on my fan are the 5 volt. So there's tons of them here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side, and then it looks like you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 12 volt fan connectors on this. And then you have your power here. You can take a look, see all the connections. RGB, power, same deal over here. More, look at that, even more 5 volt and 12 volt here.